Let's start the party, baby. The road is on fire.
All right, baby. Today we're doing something crazy. It's gonna be wild fun and maybe slightly illegal. Let's go.
This car's doing yoga, in full rotation, no destination.
Going in circles for 10 minutes, still trying to find the exit.
On this road, it's not about the destination, it's about how many speed cameras you can dodge.
I'm not just getting speed, I'm just ha 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 ha. That's not true. That's when the engine will start.
I don't know what just happened, but it worked. Ooh, what a ride! I saw nature, adventure, and at least 3 near heart attacks. Ha ha ha, somebody stop this car.
Goodbye, my dear friends. Hope you enjoyed.